Once placed, the curtain wall system can be easily modified. Curtain wall mullions and panels can be selected individually. When selected, the panel will display a single edit grip handle at the center, and a mullion will display 3 edit grip handles, 1 at each end and 1 in the center. Each mullion is provided with a toolbar equipped with edit tools used to manipulate a curtain wall assembly. Delete or delete line removes the selected mullion or line of mullions, thereby merging it with the adjacent panel. Move or move line moves the selected mullion or line of mullions to the data point defined. Copy or copy line copies the selected mullion or line of mullions to the data point defined. Toggle visibility or toggle line visibility makes the current mullion or line of mullions of the curtain wall invisible, creating a butt joint between the panels. Toggle base curve visibility makes the baseline, curve, or arc of the curtain wall visible and selectable to manipulate. You can thus easily add or remove the entire mullion after placing, or partially omit individual vertical or horizontal mullions. In this session, you will modify the storefront placed earlier. Select one of the mullions in the center of the storefront. Hover the cursor over the center blue handle. Select the Move Line icon. Move the line of mullions to the center of the next bay to the left, snapping to the midpoint of the horizontal mullion. Data point left-click to accept. Select the next mullion and move that line to the center of the next bay to the right, snapping to the midpoint of the horizontal mullion. Data point left-click to accept. Select one of the vertical mullions just moved and copy that line to the center of the center bay, snapping to the midpoint of the horizontal mullion. Data point left-click to accept. Select the horizontal mullion on the narrow panel and delete this mullion. Repeat for the other narrow panel. Now select one of the narrow panels. Move the mouse over the center grip on the panel. Select the Modify Properties icon in the Modify Curtain Wall dialog. In the Modify Curtain Wall dialog, change the panel type from Project Glazing Type 1 to Project Spandrel Metal Panel Type 1. Data point left-click in the view to accept. Continue to modify panel properties to design the pattern of the storefront panels. In the next session, you will review the architectural drawings to see how they have changed with the addition of the walls, doors, windows, and curtain wall.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.